In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to your appointment type in Acuity Scheduling. Whether you're looking to enhance your client's booking experience with some visual flair or simply want to customize the scheduling process further, adding an image can be a great way to achieve that. So let's get started. First, what you want to do is log into your Acuity Scheduling account. Of course, this part's pretty straightforward, but just make sure you're using the correct credentials so you can quickly access all the rich features Acuity has to offer. Once you're in, let's move on to finding the area we need to work in. Navigate to the Client's Scheduling page section. This is your go-to spot for managing everything about the scheduling process. It's really handy because it consolidates all the essential tools and options you'll likely use most often. Once you're there, look for the Appointment Types menu. This is where you can see all different types of appointments you've set up and manage them individually. Now locate the specific appointment type you desire to update. Clicking Edit gives you access to a world of customization options, and it's where you'll be able to add that image. You'll need to scroll down a bit on this editing page until you encounter either the scheduling instructions or the add image option, depending on how your dashboard is structured. Once you find this section, adding your image becomes a simple process. Here we have two options. You can either click add image, or if dragging and dropping feels more intuitive to you, simply drag the image file from your computer into the designated area. It's super convenient. But before diving into the upload, here's a little piece of advice for ensuring your image looks its best. Make sure to resize your image to 600px by 600px or smaller before uploading. This is crucial because larger images might not display properly and can affect the booking page's performance. After you've added your image, don't forget to click Save to ensure all your changes are stored successfully. It's always a good practice to review and make sure you're satisfied with how everything appears. So maybe take a moment to preview the scheduling page through a client's eyes. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add a personal touch to your Acuity Scheduling page by incorporating images into your appointment types. This little addition can really make a difference in how clients perceive and interact with your scheduling process. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful for enhancing your booking system.